Good morning, friends. I'm feeling so much better. There's a light congestion from a week of being extremely sick. I am wanting to bring you along for a day in the life. I don't know what the day is going to shape up to be, but I am trying to get back in the groove of vlogging again. So I'm just going to bring you along. Hope that you enjoy this video. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Tish. I am happy that you are here on my vlog channel, A Savvy Life. So let's get into it. And while you're watching, go ahead and click subscribe if you haven't already, and click the like button. My youngest daughter has a doctor appointment this afternoon, so I got up early, checked emails for work, and I uploaded, well, I am trying to upload my weekly vlog, but as you can see, it's taking absolutely forever to do that. So in the meantime, I am getting ready to wash my makeup brushes because I have not done that in a very long time. It's quite embarrassing, so I'm going to pass some time by and wash my brushes. I don't have a glamorous brush collection at all. I use the same brushes every single day. This mat also, I need to put this in the washing machine, and I'm just cleaning these with some Dawn Platinum. I just pick up the small bottle and keep it in my bathroom for when I need to wash my brushes. And I got this butterfly shaped mat for cleaning cosmetic brushes. I want to say I got this at Five Below, but if not, I got it at Miss A in Texas, so it's one of the two. I think you can find these mats anywhere, but I'm leaning towards Five Below. So I'm just making sure that I clean my brushes because they need it. So on some of my makeup brushes, it was hard to get the concealer off. As you can see, some of the makeup. So what I have that I keep on hand are these alcohol pads from Curad. And I either use this or I go in with a cotton swab, not a cotton swab, but a cotton round like this, and micellar water, and just clean the excess off. But the alcohol pads typically do a really good job, as you can see right here. Not knowing why my camera doesn't want to focus. But yeah, it's doing a pretty good job. And I'm going to do that for those that are on the struggle bus. Like that one. like I said, I don't have the most expensive brushes to apply my makeup, but these are the ones that I have fallen in love with to apply my daily look. So I just try to keep them as healthy as possible before I do replace them. Now, my makeup sponge, I do not clean it because I replace these very regularly. I purchased, I think, a pack of 12 from Amazon, and they're very, very similar to, I want to say, Beauty Secrets. Excuse me. I love them. So I just buy them by the pack, and once I'm finished using one, instead of cleaning it, I toss it out and I use another one. So I'm going to finish cleaning the makeup off of these, and it should be time to get lunch into our bodies. But that's my very quick and simple makeup brush cleaning routine. It takes me maybe 20 minutes to do all of these, and yeah, I can be assured that I'm gonna have some clean brushes to get me going for the next week or so. So I was showing you these extra coals when I make the notebooks. I'm so sorry for coughing, and or clearing my throat. You're going to hear it again, I'm sure. But these are the leftover coals. That's what I was showing you. When I make the notebooks and the notepads, and I cut them down to size, I end up with some leftover coals, and I had the bright idea to just put it in this container, but as you can see, the more you make, the more extras. So I need something cute to house the excess coals, because I definitely don't want to throw them away. That's a nice size coal to make a smaller notepad, maybe with scrap sheets of paper. So I definitely don't want to waste it, but I need something much larger, much more aesthetically pleasing to put these in, and I am running out of space. So if you have any suggestions on what I could possibly use that's kind of nice and cute and can go into my office, leave me a comment down below. Okay, I have a few moments before I have to leave and take my youngest to her doctor appointment. So I am eating a yummy fresh snack. It's these miniature cucumbers with tahini. Delicious and refreshing, and I wanted to use this time to get in my planner, because I really have not had the time, due to me being sick, with filling it in like I would normally do. So this is the week that I'm currently in, and as you can see, there's nothing. So I just wanted to go ahead and write in my affirmations and goals for the beginning of the month. I do this at each month, and when I am at the doctor's office, because we will be outside, they have patients waiting outside, and they'll call you when I come in. This is what I plan to do, is to fill in my pages for this week and get caught up for the week on this. And I've just been trying to see what all I need to pack with me going to the doctor. And then my oldest is going to, as soon as she gets out of school, I need to go get her a snack because she will be with my husband. They have a catering job today. And of course, me and my youngest, because we're still sick, we're not going to be with them. We're still trying to, you know, let the healed be healed together and the recovering recover together. All right, so I will talk to you in just a moment. And I mentioned getting my oldest daughter a snack. So I am on the Subway app. It's so convenient because we eat the same things when we go places. So I was able to save our favorite sandwiches and salads, and I can just go in and add those easily and pay for it online and just pick it up in the store. Well, I am trying to do that now, and the app is giving me the blues, but I prefer to do this. That way I can run in, get the order, bring it back to my husband so he'll have when he picks up my oldest. And I'm sure the youngest will be hungry after her appointment this afternoon. But I'm having trouble accessing the app. So what do I do? Maybe call it in? But I like the convenience of just going in, grabbing, and going, and not having to do too much inside the store. So I also need to figure this out before it's time for us to head out. Okay, so I was able to order the Subway sandwiches. Now I'm going to quickly pack my bag with what I need to possibly sit in a car for about an hour. So I'm going to bring along my planner, notebook. I'm just going to bring my Louis Vuitton GM, bigger than what I need, but it's okay. I keep toilet wipes. When I say toilet wipes, I may be saying that wrong. Flushable wipes and different types of hand wipes. Since I'm going to be planning, I'm going to take my planner stickers with me, and here's a smaller weekly planner that I am waiting to get in. This is something that I made, guys, and I put it up in my shop, Tish B, but it's just a weekly layout with some priorities and other tasks, and a section for notes. So I'm going to use this one as my content planner. I am, and I think that's it. I'm gonna take, oh, I don't need to take my lotion because I have some AirPods, because I know my youngest is going to be listening to what she wants to listen to. I'm going to want to listen to what I want to listen to. My pen case. And I'm going to take a few bottles of water and some extra masks. I think that's it. And I'm going to bring you guys along too. So with that, I'm going to bring my tech bag so that I can have batteries and things like that. And that is it. I don't need a snack because I just had a snack. So I'm just going to grab my water and my wallet, and we're gonna head to the doctor. Come on. My video is finally posted. It just went live. I created a thumbnail when we came back from the appointment, and it's up. So if you have not already seen this video, go ahead and check it out. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching this vlog. As you can see, I am getting ready to sit down and eat dinner, and I'm going to finish editing this vlog, and my battery is blinking, so I know it's time for me to say goodbye. I appreciate you for staying until the end of the video. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and take your time and visit some of my previous vlogs. I look forward to talking to you in the next video. Talk to you down in the comment area, and see you next time. Bye.